Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my quick and easy chicken noodle soup. It's so tasty, you won't want to go back to shop bought. To start with, we're going to heat a tablespoon of oil in the pan. We're going to add 4 chicken drumsticks to the pan. You can use drumsticks or thighs for this recipe. Go with the drumsticks or thighs because dark meat works best. We're using the darker meat because it's juicier and it's got more flavour. And also because we've got the bones in there as well, that'll also add extra flavour to the soup. We're cooking those for about 4 to 5 minutes, making sure they're nice and golden brown all over. Now we're going to add in 6 medium-sized sliced brown mushrooms. Cook those with the chicken for a couple of minutes, then add in 3 chopped spring onions or scallions. Now we're going to add in 1 1/4 litres or 2 1/4 pints of chicken stock. Once that comes to the boil, we're going to turn it down and let it simmer for 25 minutes. No need to cover it or anything, we just want to reduce it down to really intensify those flavours. After it's cooked for 25 minutes, we're going to remove the chicken from the pan. Then we're going to shred the chicken off the bone using a couple of forks. Now I'm adding 125 grams or 4½ ounces of flat rice noodles to the pan. Really, you can use any noodles you want though. Cook the noodles for 2 minutes, then add in a couple of handfuls of chopped kale and add the chicken back into the pan. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and a drizzle of sesame oil, and you're ready to serve. This chicken noodle soup is so easy to make and really comforting. Perfect winter dinner.